Hey guys, Pete Beckman. I am so thrilled to be with you and super excited to invite you to our Houston pre-conference tour coming up this Saturday in Houston, Texas at Topgolf. Guys, we've been all over the country. Brandon Hall, Kara Miller, Chris Neek, Josh Chris, myself, and a ton of our managers, ton of our top producers out hitting the streets to help you win and develop your business. Guys, I personally want to give you this invite as I will be there in Houston this Saturday. It's important to associate with your team, to learn from the best in the business, and to get yourself acclimated in our systems, our scripts, and the inner workings and learnings of how your Unitrust agency inside of our system can build. Guys, this event is like one of a kind. Going to a space like Topgolf is super cool. We're not sitting in a hotel, we're not sitting anywhere stuffy. We're going out, we're having fun, we're rolling up our sleeves, and we're using this time together as a workshop to help identify areas in your business that we can step in and help you with any type of script, appointment setting, issues you're having in the sale, building your team. This is a hands-on learning event dedicated to help you win. I really hope that you'll join me and register at the link that you see below to join our Topgolf pre-conference tour here in Houston on the 7th of June. I look forward to seeing you guys there. We tee off between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. local time there, and I can't wait to see you there.